Hi, in this video I will show you how to use live focus mode on your Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus or S20 Ultra. Live focus mode blurs the background of photographs to help the foreground subject stand out. If you want to use it, open the camera and tap More. Then tap Live Focus. Frame the subject, making sure you're between 1 to 1.5 meters away from them. Then tap the Blur Effects icon. You can drag the blur slider to adjust the strength of the background blur. You can also tap an effect to change the appearance of the background blur. Now, tap the circle to take a photo. If you want to view your photo, tap the thumbnail. You can also edit the background blur effect by tapping Change Background Effect. Drag the blur slider to adjust the background blur strength. And tap an effect to adjust the appearance of the background blur. After you've done that, tap Apply to save your changes. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to hit the like button. I would really appreciate it.